beautiful the Oklahoma City Zoo and Botanical Garden is. And joining me now is Candice Rennels, who's going to share with us how you can come and visit the zoo for free.
Yes, absolutely. So the Oklahoma City Zoo has a fantastic access program that not only connects kids to learning about monarch butterflies, but it encourages reading for families and togetherness.
Right.
So we have a program called Read for Adventure that features this original children's book, Juniper's Butterfly Garden. Juniper's Butterfly Garden was written by one of our own team members, Autumn Hegel. So it's very special to us, but it is a book that's available in statewide Oklahoma libraries for families to check out. And the thought is you go and you check out Juniper's Butterfly Garden, you take it home, you read it, you learn about Juniper's wish to create her own butterfly garden at home and how you can do it. And then when you return the book to your library, you get a voucher good for 4 admission tickets to the Oklahoma City Zoo.
That's awesome. Yes. And a value right there for your family.
It is a fantastic value, yes. So it's good for those 4 admission tickets, and those are good through a year from when the program starts. So we're getting ready to kick off our 7th season of Read for Adventure, thanks to our fantastic partners, OG&E. And the books will be at the library starting this June, and the vouchers will be available. So it is a really great program and opportunity for families during the summertime when the kiddos are home.
And I have to admit, I've read this with my kids, and it's fun. They love this book, and there's even information in there actually about how to do this in your own garden.
So there's some great information, some resources at the back that tell you about planting your own garden from our friends from Okies for Monarch. And then OG&E has some fantastic graphics that show the migration patterns for monarchs, which come right through Oklahoma.
Absolutely.
Yes, so it's very exciting. But we're very proud of this program, and like I said, it'll be launching this June. And the vouchers will be good through June of 2024.
So how can people find out if it's available at their library or not?
Great question. So to find out if your public library or community library is participating, just go to the zoo's website, okczoo.org, and we have a tab under events called Read for Adventure. And just click that link and you can find out if your library participates.
And it's pretty comprehensive across the state for libraries.
It really is. So we have over close to 200 partnering libraries that are state libraries or tribal libraries that are participating. So there's a lot of opportunities for our Oklahoma communities across the state.
All right. Well, we love free tickets to this.
Oh, I know.
Thank you for sharing this with us. We'll go check it out.
Okay. Thanks.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.